Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Kango Kiwi IELTS and PTE. Hope you all are doing good. My name is Ritesh Tomar and in this video we'll discuss the sample answers of a cue card topic live sport match that you have watched that has been done for you by Tim Rutter, the senior IELTS trainer at Kango Kiwi. One among the most important cue card topic that might come in your upcoming IELTS speaking test. In this video, we will discuss the sample answers of the cue card, explanation of vocabulary used, along with the follow-up questions for round 3 of the speaking IELTS test. Now let's start up with the cue card. Cue card topic. Describe a live sports match that you have watched, or it could be asked like describe a school or college sports event that you remember well. So while answering this cue card, you need to answer few of the questions that are listed below. When it happened, where it took place, who you watched it with, and explain why you remember it so well. Now let's have a look on the sample answer of the cue card. One particular event I remember very clearly was an athletics competition held when I was in high school. I was in 5th standard, so around 15 years old. Sports day and inter-school sports matches were quite common at my school, but this one has stuck in my mind. So as I mentioned, I was 15 at that time, making it 2016. It was getting close to the end of the term and everyone was looking forward to the summer holidays. Usually around this time in the school years, some kind of sport competitions are arranged, and that June was athletics where classes competed against each other. We were very lucky at our school to have extremely large sports field all around the school building. On one side were cricket and football pitches, on other were running tracks, high jump, long jump and triple jump facilities, along with tennis court, rugby and hockey fields. So this competition took place in that area. As many of the boys in my class were taking part in one or other of the track and field category, I watched with a couple of classmates who weren't involved. Robin was unable to do any sport because of polio and Tarun was asthmatic, so also couldn't join in. I wasn't very sporty, but I was okay at long jump and triple jump, so both my events were scheduled later in the afternoon, giving me time to cheer on my classmates in the running event. I particularly remember it because it all turned out to be a great success for our class in the senior competition, coming second overall, with a few first places in short distance races, sprinting and hurdles. Naturally, I have very vivid and happy memory of the day because I managed first place in the high jump and second in the long jump. Now let us have a look on the vocabulary used in the sample answer. Track and field, a general term for all types of athletics. To cheer on, to support vocally someone. Turned out to be the result of the things that happened. Short distance races, 100 and 200 meters. Sprinting, running very fast over a short distance. Hurdles refers to running where the competitors have to jump over barriers during the race. Now let us go through some of the follow-up questions related to the cue card that might come in the section 3 of the speaking test. Why do some people like to watch live sports? Do you prefer to watch live sports or watch it on TV? What kind of sports do Indian people like to watch? Do you think competition in sport is good for students?